You ever notice how everybody talks about the same programming skills over and over? Learn this language, master this framework, grind algorithms, memorize system design, blah blah. But nobody talks about the quiet skills, the ones that actually separate the overwhelmed beginner from the person who writes code that feels like magic. Today, I want to talk about the skills people barely mention but can completely change your coding journey if you take them seriously. Let's start with something simple: reading. Not reading books, not reading documentation, I mean reading your own code. Reading other people's code, reading code without panicking. It sounds small, but this one skill can save you hours and sometimes days. Most people jump into debugging like a firefighter running into a building with no helmet. They start changing things at random. They open Stack Overflow before even understanding their own files. When you develop the patience to sit down and say, let me read this line by line and pretend I am the computer, your entire life gets easier. Another underrated skill is naming things. You know how every beginner writes variables like x, data, temp, test? And then 6 weeks later, they open the same file and it feels like someone else wrote it. But when you learn how to name your variables cleanly, your functions clearly, your files logically, coding starts feeling like talking to your future self. And your future self will thank you for not leaving a mess. There is also the skill of breaking things down, not in some academic way, but in a real, I do not understand this problem, so let me chop it into tiny pieces kind of way. Some people think being a good programmer means knowing everything. It does not. Most programmers who look smart are just good at taking a massive, confusing thing and slicing it into small, understandable steps. If you can learn that, you win half the battle automatically. Then we have the skill of not panicking when something breaks. I know that sounds funny, but honestly, emotional control is such an underrated programming skill. Some people see an error message and freeze. They think it means they failed. Meanwhile, experienced developers see an error and treat it like a clue. The difference is not intelligence, it is mindset. If you can stay calm long enough to explore the problem, you're already ahead of the game. Communication is another one that does not get enough respect. People will spend months trying to understand advanced frameworks, but cannot explain their own project to another human being. Being able to talk about your code in simple language is a real skill. It forces you to think clearly, and it makes you look more professional. Even in personal projects, talking through your thought process helps more than you imagine. Patience is extremely underrated. Not the kind of patience where you wait for your code to run. I mean the patience to learn slowly without comparing yourself to everyone else. The patience to learn one concept properly before jumping to the next shiny thing. Programming is not a race. It is like learning how to think in a new language. And the people who take the slower, careful path often end up becoming better developers in the long run. Then there is the skill of curiosity. Genuine curiosity. The kind that makes you ask, why does this work? Why does this break? Why does this tool exist? Curiosity is what turns a coder into a problem solver. It is what gives you depth. It is what makes you less dependent on tutorials and more independent in your thinking. Another underrated skill is learning how to Google properly. And I'm not even joking. Some people type the wrong question for 10 minutes straight, then get frustrated that nothing works. But when you learn how to search clearly, phrase your issue properly, and filter good answers from bad ones, you save so much time. Good Googling is almost a programming superpower. Also, let's talk about cleaning up after yourself. Not in a moral sense, but literally in your projects. Removing files you don't need, organizing folders, deleting old code instead of leaving it there like a ghost. Most bugs in big projects come from old junk lying around. Good programmers clean their environment. They treat their project like a workspace, not a dumping ground. Another thing people overlook is the skill of finishing things. Not perfecting them, not polishing them forever, just finishing. Most beginners start 10 projects and finish none. But the skill of closing something, even if it's small, teaches discipline. Finishing builds confidence. And finishing helps you learn more than starting. Anyone can start something. Finishing is the real flex. And one last underrated skill is knowing when to stop. Knowing when to rest. Knowing when to walk away from your screen. Some people think coding 20 hours without sleep makes them more dedicated. It doesn't. It makes your brain foggy. When you know how to pause and come back fresh, you solve problems 10 times faster. So yeah, everybody talks about the flashy stuff, the languages, the frameworks, the algorithms. But the truth is, the quiet skills carry your entire career. Reading, naming, Googling, finishing, breaking problems down, staying calm, being curious, resting. These are the real foundations. And if you take them seriously, you'll move through coding with a level of confidence and clarity that surprises even you. That's the beauty of underrated skills. They're not loud, but they change everything.